students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is integration of 1 over x root of x square minus 1 dx. So our options are A, sec x plus c, option B, cosec inverse x plus c, option C, sec inverse x plus c, or option D, cosec x plus c. So to solve this, we'll use the substitution method. So we will substitute x with something so that we can get rid of this root. So if you remember one formula in trigonometry, that is sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. So if we'll take 10 on the other side and 1 on the other side, means sec square theta minus 1 is equals to tan square theta, correct? Is equals to tan square theta. So if we will replace x with the sec theta, then we can make a tan square theta and we'll get rid of the root. So let x is equals to sec theta. If x is equals to sec theta means we'll differentiate this, means dx is equals to sec theta tan theta d theta. Differentiation of cos sec theta is sec theta into tan theta. Now we will replace everything. So dx will become sec theta tan theta d theta. So dx, instead of dx we are writing sec theta tan theta d theta, divided by, instead of x we will write sec theta, and root of sec square theta minus 1. So this will be equals to integration. So sec theta cancel out, tan theta d theta divided by sec square theta minus 1 is tan square theta, and root of tan square theta will be tan theta. So this and this will also cancel out, integration d theta. This is equals to integration d theta, which is equals to theta plus c, correct? Integration of theta will be theta, integration of d theta will be theta, and plus c, since it is indefinite integration. Now what is the value of theta? We can use this equation. So theta, from this equation, theta is equals to sec inverse x. We will take sec inverse on both the side. So sec inverse x will be equals to theta. So instead of theta we will write sec inverse x. So this final answer will become sec inverse x plus c. Sec inverse x plus c, our option C is the correct option. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.